That's laced through the left side, and Troy's going to break on time. That's a call strike three. You could see that Burroway was fooled on that one, and he painted from third. He makes contact. This is a fly ball to right. It's carrying to the wall. They're going to play it off the wall, and it is out of here. It carries all the way out of here. It's just a lazy fly ball that looked like it was going to come off the top of the scoreboard, but it carries out of here. A 3-run shot from Sean Darnell, and the Trojans break on top 4-0. The second base bag, all on the third base side.
Ground ball over to third base to try to go to second, onto first. In time for a double play. Drew Nelson pumps his fist. He gets off of the field.
Contact. The hardest hit ball was the line drive to Watts at third that ended the third.
Valentine takes a
night out later in the year.
Full count pitch is driven into left from Cool. Mike, he has continued to hit the ball, and this will be a gapper into the left field, up against the left field wall.
Here comes Brooks ranging in. He'll score. So a 2-run double for Cool in the left center gap.
At home, the runner goes, throw down is not going to get him. It'll get past him. He's going to take off for third, and Meyer will go into third. That'll be a stolen base, probably not today, but we've seen it in the series. Now the 3-2. Hit deep to right. Look up. That one is out of here. Grand slam home run. Brooks Bryan, his first home run of the season, and it puts 4 across for the Trojans. It is 13-4.
That was a deep home run. We knew it was a matter of time that he was going to get that first home run of the year, and he did. And not only did he hit it, but he hit it a long ways.
Off of the bat, it was just a matter of would it clear the wall. You knew it had the distance. Take a look. Tuesday night. And he will. That's a base hit back up the middle. A run will score, and this one is going to belong to the Trojans via the run rule. Peyton Watts singles back up the middle. Houston Martin.